Hello everyone and welcome back to VLADA'S place.
Hello guys, so today we are turning ordinary broccoli and cabbage into a delicious, quick and tasty lunch. So I'm going to show you just a plain and easy salad that you can serve to your kids when you're in a rush.
Feeding family healthy food is always challenging, this year in particular since kids are homeschooled. So here's one simple and easy recipe. So we're starting with 4 cups of finely chopped fresh broccoli and 2 cups of shredded cabbage. To that, we are adding 1 large avocado. If possible, get a nice avocado. And when I say nice, I mean a ripe yet not mushy, because this is what's going to bring the creaminess to our salad. Slice it thin, but don't do it like I'm doing it. Use a cutting board to keep your fingers safe. Next is black pepper, and use it per taste. As you can see, I'm using actually quite a bit because I like black pepper in my salads, and then we're going to add salt per taste. We're moving to olive oil, and we are going with the 4 tablespoons of extra virgin cold pressed olive oil. It's very important that you feed your kids with diet rich in good fats because their brains and their moods need good fats. Okay, now I'm adding about a half a tablespoon of honey, and I'm gonna go with 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. You all know how good apple cider vinegar is for our bodies, so use it as much as you can in your diet. Okay, now I'm just gonna fold all these flavors around avocado, broccoli, and cabbage. Feeding your kids fresh foods with a lot of healthy fats in them is very important. Good food and good rest are key components in yours and your kids' well-being. Okay, let's add some protein. So I'm going with the roasted chicken breast, but you can use cold cuts, salami or sausages or whatever you have in the fridge or whatever you like. And then I'm gonna top that with a cup of my favorite olives. These olives are simply wonderful. They smell like they just came out of the barrel. Only thing better than this is a fresh home-baked sourdough bread. After all, you have to have a nice juicy piece of bread to go along with the olive oil, avocado, and olives, and all the other ingredients that we have in our salad. I appreciate you taking time to watch this video, and if you're following my work, you will find out that I have a charitable organization whose focus is to reconnect families and communities in America, and through all that we're trying to teach kids and families how to eat healthy, how to grow, produce, and prepare some of their own food.
If you guys like our videos, please give us your thumbs up, and we would like to promote these simple, homemade, and healthy recipes to other families so that we all can eat healthier.
You can find out more about my organization and its charitable work under VLADA'S.com. On our website, you may be able to find out more about our television cooking program called Cooking and Kids, which is currently playing in over 40 states and on 220 public access television stations. I hope you will join our channel where we share simple lifestyle tips to make our life closer to nature and to help us all eat and live healthier and happier. And by the way, join our newest adventure, which is beekeeping. First beehive arrived just yesterday, and we are getting ready to do a series of YouTube videos on how to become a beekeeper.